Welcome dear friends. In this question we are asked to find the radius of the circle if the equation given is equation of a circle. Right. The equation is in general form. Before we find the radius of the circle, we have to rewrite the equation in standard form. To do that, we are going to use the completing the square method. That is x minus 4 all squared minus 16 plus y minus 5 all squared minus 25. Alright, if we collect the like terms together, we have that x minus 4 all squared plus y minus 5 all squared is equal to 40 plus 25 plus 16, that is 40 plus 16 plus 25 is equal to 81. Therefore, the equation now is x minus 4 all squared plus y minus 5 all squared is equal to 81. 81 is equal to r squared, and if 81 is equal to r squared, then our r is equal to 9, which is the radius of the given circle. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more of this type of content.